Hello everybody, I'm back again. So yesterday I got interrupted, so I turned off my video. So I figured I'd turn on the camera today and finish. And we left off where I was going to put this little sticker on my tag here. But I went ahead and sewed around them to not not take too much time. Table right here. To not take too much time in the video. Oh, and that's my printer in the background. I'm printing some stuff for some other ephemera we'll be doing for these journals. So I guess for now it's going to be all about nature, botanical theme. I don't know if you guys could hear the birdies outside too. I have the window open. But they're chirping away out there. Anyways, let's see. So this one, oh, and I did go ahead and switch this paper. Okay, that's a big piece of glue. But I did, I had added brown to this one. So I went ahead and put this ledger. I wanted that green in there, so I switched it. I kind of liked it better with the green than with the brown. So see, there's no such thing as mistakes, because they all could be fixed. They all could be repaired. They all could be modified. Sometimes they could be covered. Okay. So then I did, yeah, okay, so we just need a word on this one. What's the next one on here? It says friendship. I like friendship. I think I'll use that one. I like friendship. But yeah, yesterday's call was from Patty, the person I was telling you guys about that messaged me regarding having a fun craft day. But then she told me I guess she's gonna make it a surprise and not say anything that I'm coming. So hopefully I didn't blow it and say anything, but you know, by mentioning it on my video. But which I forgot to tell her that. But the good thing is I haven't uploaded yesterday's video. I'm planning to uploading that one today and this one. And I guess I'll have to ask her to make sure. But I mean, there's a lot of patties. Nobody knows what patty it is, right? So yeah, I think I'm good. I think. Okay, where are my little circles? What did I do to them? Did I? Oh, yep, right here. Ugh. Okay, got that little piece of glue. I don't want it to come out. Right there. But yes, I was talking to her. That girl is crazy. But she's awesome. She's a crazy gal like me. So yes, we talked like 2 hours on the phone, guys. And but it was fun. I really enjoyed our conversation. Okay. So there they go. those are our little tags that we've made. Ah, my hands are sticky. I didn't put the lotion on again. So now we're just gonna pop them in here, and oops. I guess, what should we put where? I think this is the one I wanted to put, the one with the one that has yellow. I'm gonna leave that one last because I just put the sticker there. So I'm gonna insert this one here. As far as seam binding for the tag, I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet, so we'll leave that alone, but that one's done. This is the one I need to put that one in there. This is the tiny one for this one here. Well, we need to decorate that pocket. I guess we'll put the mushroom in this one. And this one should be good now. Right there. So that is done, guys. So we just need to decorate this little pocket. I didn't put a word here, but I kind of like it like that. I don't know. Like this one. I kind of like it like that. I really like that image. So yeah, we'll leave it alone. Once we put it in the journal, if it tells me otherwise, then I'll add something. But right now, I like the way it looks. Now here, I don't know what I will add, but let's just play and see what comes together. This is just linen fabric. I don't have no trash close by. Put it there. So I'm thinking, I like that there, and this is the part where you just grab different things and layer it. Does it look cute? Does it not? I'm kind of feeling that. Let's see what happens. Looks a little twisted, like, and oops, that doesn't go there. What can we put? What can we put? I don't see anything in here. What is that? Nope. Everything I have looks bulky. I don't want to put anything bulky in there. This one. Or what if there's a piece? I think I like that one better. Okay, I want a little quick stitch. I'm do a quick little zigzag. Let's see. Okay. Just a quick one. Okay. I like that. What do you guys think? Just a little something. So I think these are done. See, so it's pretty much done already. Now I am actually printing some ephemera from the old design shop. As far as what I want to, what other embellishment I want to do next, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm thinking pockets, book page pockets. So, yeah, let me think about that one, and then I will see you guys in the next video. But I hope you guys like this little series. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.